So magandang araw Kabole. So malamang alam naman po yung balita So Javi Gomez Deliano ay pumunta na nga po Kabole sa KBL. Kabole, pinili po maglaro doon, invest na po dito sa PBA with the firma. Now, ito po ang ating ranking ng top 3 players na pwedeng sumunod sa kanya. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pag-pindot naman po yung subscription button. Now before we go there, usa po na natin yung sa the news Kabole. Isa to Kabole, Coach Jongwit Chico Kabole, ang bagong head coach po ng NLEX Road Warriors. Of course, sa mga fans po Kabole ni Snowbado, hindi na tayo nagulat dyan, di ba? Kasi matagal na po yung sinasabi or na-rumor, last year pa lang ganun po kasi talaga katinggi itong si Snowbado. Last year pa lang na-reveal na po niya ito Kabole. Now, actually, okay naman performance si Coach Frankie Lim Kabole, hindi naman po ganun kapangit. Pero overall, of course, ano bang i-expect natin sa NLEX, di ba? He just did what he can with a lineup na in a way, hindi rin naman talagang pang-championship Kabole, di ba? Okay nga yung performance nila this conference di ba? Talagang lumaban even though kinuhanan sila nung kanilang best center, di ba Kabole? Now, Coach Jongwit Chico, nakabalik na sa PBA, tignan natin kung may improvement po siya sa coach Kabole. Last time, medyo yung coaching na kasi medyo old model na. Tignan natin kung meron po siyang bagong may papakita Kabole. Now, of course, lahat siguro tayo, kung ikaw po ay nandito nanonood, I expect na nag-e-enjoy ka po sa kanin po na nangyayari dito po sa finals. Maliban siguro kung fan ka po ng San Miguel or what, diba? Pero overall, diba, it was an entertaining finals. First 3 games Kabole. At na-take note nga yun ni Sir Jerry Ramos ng spin. Sabi niya, thanks to Meralco PBA once again as a must-watch title series. Pero in reality, isipin mo, bakit ba ito very interesting? Bakit ba ito very exciting? Actually, it's the anticipation The anticipation that super team Kabole will be defeated by a team na wala ba yung championship. It's just an anticipation of something historic na mangyayari. It's an anticipation of something that is very unexpected Kabole. Kasi let us be honest, we did not really expect Meralco to be here, di ba? Meralco po, they struggled in the Commissioner's Cup, so hindi talaga natin siya ina-expect po na makarating dito sa finals, pero nakarating sila. At napakaganda po ng pinapakita nila. At isa nga talagang rason dyan is yung performance po ni Coach Nenad Kabole. Actually, di ba, yung disappointing nila ng performance Kabole sa Commissioner's Cup, sa mga makita natin na pwede maging rason is yung performance ni Coach Nenad Kabole. Pero yun nga, pinapakita niya na maybe that's not the case, di ba? Coach Nenad is really coaching at his peak. Pwede mo sabihin na gano'n Kabole. The way he's handling the team, the way the defense Kabole, the incredible defense. Alam niyo ba, lahat po ng lowest scoring output po ng San Miguel nangyari against Meralco Bulls. Ganun katindi po ang ginagawa ng Meralco Bulls. We are talking about San Miguel dito, San Miguel Dreamer. Specifically, the most talented team in the league. Pero yung depensa ng Meralco pinapakita na, it's on a different level Kabole. And mind you, let's be honest, yung roster po ng Meralco, hindi naman yan top 3 defensive roster Kabole. Pero yung kasing strategy lang talagang pinapakita ni Coach Nenad, ibang level Kabole. Napunta na tayo dito, top 3 players na natin pwede pong sumunod. Dito nga po kay Javi Gomez Deliano Kabole. Una sa listahan natin, Troy Rosario ng Blackwater. Rumor na to dati na may mga offers nga to si Troy. Actually, kino-consider niya rin Kabole. Now that he is in Blackwater and sa mga gustong gawin ng Blackwater diyan, about to do another prime team trade, there's a good chance diba na ma-disappoint na lang talaga si Troy yan. Maybe try to play Kabole in international league Kabole. Number 2 natin, Stephen Holt, diba? More of, diba, bakit pa magpapagod si Stephen Holt dito? Now that nakita niya lang, nawalan na naman sila ng isang core player Kabole. Although gusto naman niya talaga makipag-compete with Terra Firma, pero diba, pinuprolog na ba na niya that he is a credible player, diba? I'm pretty sure some good offers will come and I am expecting him to consider. Arvin Tolentino Kabole, I'm pretty sure marami na po international league teams ang tumitisingin sa kanya, especially with how unique 6'5", 6'6" Kabole. That is a sniper. Mahirap po maghanap ng ganyan, diba? So it will be a very good addition sa mga international league teams, knowing din na modern ball, diba? So with that, I expect na maraming magkaka-interest dito Kabole. And knowing yung current team niya, diba? Malamang hindi naman ganun masasaktan or mahirapan mag-decide po si Arvin Kabole na lisanin po ang Northport. Kamu ka ba sa play mo? Nandito ba yung susunod po sa impact ng Javi? Comment na po sa baba.